The House of Representatives on Tuesday announced its principal officers that will pilot the affairs of the 10th Legislative House for both the ruling majority, the All Progressives Congress, and members of the 8 opposition political parties in the Green Chamber. The Speaker of the House, Tajuddin Abbas, while reading the 2 separate letters signed by both caucuses of the House, announced Julius IHONVBERE as the majority leader of the House, Halims Abdullahi as the deputy majority leader, Usman Kumo as the new chief whip, and Onanuga Oriromi as the deputy chief whip. For the minority caucus, the Speaker announced Kingsley Chinda as minority leader of the House, Madaki Ali of the NNPP emerged as the deputy minority leader, and Ali Isa JC clinched the position of the minority whip, as Labour Party's George Adegeye was announced as the new deputy minority whip. These principal officers are to resume their functions with immediate effect.
Number 1, Honorable Kingsley Chinda has been nominated as the minority leader and is from the party PDP extraction. Number 2 is Honorable Ali Isa JC, PhD, as the minority whip, also from the PDP. We have number 3, Honorable Ali Hussain Madaki, Guinea, as deputy minority leader from the NNPP.